Hi, my name is Stephen Isop. I'm the service manager here at Ford of Upland. And I'm proud to announce that we are here to bring great exciting news that we're kicking off our Ford mobile service van. Ford of Upland is now offering our customers the convenience of service at your home and or business with our all-new state-of-the-art mobile service van. We are offering oil changes, tire rotations, brake pads, and rotor replacement, and most of your Ford factory recalls. And now you know why we're so excited to get this off and running. So please feel free to give us a call at 844-242-6770, and that is our mobile service center. Thank you.